Hey my beautiful people, how you doing? So for this recipe, you're going to be needing some fresh cilantro. You're going to be needing some organic tempeh, some wonderful baby spinach. You're going to get a bunch of that. Half an onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and you're going to have some beefless ground meat and 2 medium zucchinis. Oh yeah, baby. So we're gonna heat up our pan and start cooking up some of that garlic and our ground beef mixture. We're gonna add some water inside so it won't dry up. And we're gonna toss in those diced zucchinis. Yummy. Wanna make sure you leave that in there for a bit to get those juices out. Stir it up. We're gonna add in some black pepper to your choice, to your liking. And some salt. I know it says sea salt, but it's actually pink Himalayan salt. Salt of your choice. And I love my good old cumin. It just gives it that nice taste. And you want to add some more water so it can help it incorporate and mix it in really well together. You're going to cover that up and let it simmer for a minute. Let those juices cook. And now we're going to add in some chopped almonds. Great for texture. Stir that up and add some fresh cilantro. Give it some nice flavor. Yum, yum, yum. And here we go with some baby spinach. We're gonna chop it up and just add that in towards the end. So like that, it's gonna create a great filling. Look at that. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. So here we are to filling number 2 with the tempeh. So we're gonna fry some onions up on a medium pan heat. We're gonna take the thawed organic block and grind it up in our hands, just into fine little pieces, and just brown that. So it's gonna give it a nice texture when you eat it, and the flavor is really good. FYI, it's also a great source of protein. Now we're gonna add some diced green peppers, saute that in, and sprinkle some salt and pepper to your taste. And here we go with our last ingredient. You're gonna add some tomato paste, about 1 tablespoon. You're gonna stir some water in and make sure you mix it well so it's well incorporated. You're gonna put it aside and let it cool down. And now, las empanadas. We're gonna start with all-purpose flour, 3 1/4 cups. We're sifting the flour, that's what I'm doing right now. You can do it with an apparatus like this or a strainer. It's important to do this part because it helps aerate your flour and allows dry ingredients to combine itself more evenly. Now we're gonna add a cup of non-salted room temperature butter, 2 tablespoons of egg white, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. You're gonna start combining all the ingredients with your hands, and it's gonna start feeling kind of like a wet sand texture, which is completely normal. Once that's well distributed, you're gonna add half of your 1/2 cup. Combine it and then add the rest. And this is when you're really gonna start working the dough. You wanna knead it well. Make sure it's well incorporated. I'm telling you, this is a workout. Once you make it into a little ball, place it into another little bowl. You're gonna cover it and you're gonna refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, but you could definitely leave it overnight if you want. And there you go. Now it's time. You're gonna start rolling that dough. That's gonna be your little piece. So you're gonna roll it. I'm using a nice silicone pad from Farinex, so it really helps keep nice stability with the dough. And I'm going in all the way with my forearms. I got this beautiful mold. Actually, my mom bought it for me because we wanted to try some empanadas. So you put it right in there, fill it up, not too much because you don't want them to burst. And then you're gonna seal that tight. And make sure you go on those extremities and press hard. You're gonna cut the rest of that excess dough and open it slowly, and there you go. How exciting is this? It's a Peruvian style dough. So the inspiration is Peruvian, but the inside is vegan. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees, bake it for 30 minutes. Before you bake, don't forget to brush egg over each empanada. And there you go. Buen provecho. So this was a video on how to make your homemade empanadas. If you like watching videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell. See you soon.